What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and this is gonna be a crazy way to start it off, but here we are. Yes, finally getting it fixed. Today's the day, boys. Hopefully within this video we'll be back in the road. Get it? Great, like I can care less about. What happens when you're low. I'm not even as low as I want to be. That's the sad part.
Is it a neutral?
We're here living the life, boys. Literally living life. Yep, finally made it. This camera's about to die, so we're gonna pick this up hopefully when we actually pick up the car itself. But she's on her way. What's up, guys? If you couldn't tell from the smile, this is just an update from earlier. You guys saw earlier. The Beamer's fixed. We're all good. The car drives again. Everything's back to normal. So let's go check it out. Yes, sir. Oh my God, I missed her. She's been gone for like a few days, but we back, and we better than ever. So, like I was telling you guys before, here you go. You can see right now. It's my old drive shaft. This is the old one. We got a brand new one put in and everything. Everything is back to normal, yo. We are back at it again. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up and then let's get on the road. Jesus. Yes, sir. We are back. With the screen though, I still haven't properly finished setting it up yet. We're gonna work on that pretty soon. But sheesh. We're actually back. I got endless lights on my car, bro. We're gonna start taking care of these because it's getting old. Sheesh. Beamer on the back. This thing is awesome. Let's go on the road. I can 100% confirm that the car is literally 100% back together. Having the drive shaft be all messed up and stuff for a long time, even when it was just like mild driving, it would be a lot of banging on the car. Just because it was loose, it would literally bang on the center of the car. It was like the most annoying thing ever. But now having it back to normal, it's just, it feels good, man. It feels so good. And then having the screen, man, it changes the whole game, yo. Like when I'm sitting around, can't do nothing but just wait, just sit around, watch some YouTube, little stuff like that. Let me oh my God, I miss this car so much. For you guys, it's probably been like a few months. Obviously, I probably didn't care as much. It's been like 2 months for me of not having my car, driving it or anything. So to finally be back in it and just enjoying it, it's just, it's amazing. Another perk with having the drive shaft fixed is now I can really feel the car and see what else is wrong with it. Like, look at the steering wheel right now. Just shaking. I need an alignment done because I got these new wheels on and the rears are so wide, and I need to get the coilovers put on, but I think I'm gonna just get an alignment done so I don't have to worry about any issues in the future. And then I'll end up getting the coilovers. The coilovers will probably be towards the end of February that we will be getting those. I'm going on a trip pretty soon, so I gotta get everything ready for that, and that'll be my last trip for a little while. Come back and just grind out on working on the Beamer now that it's fixed. It feels so good. I'm pressed on having this car back. I don't even know. It just feels so good to be back. I'm happy. The Beamer is back in session and we're back in business. So more stuff to come in. I have my front lip that I'm going to be showing you guys in the next video. We're going to be installing it. I know we're not on our regular height, but we're going to be throwing out one today. or next video. Stay tuned for that, and literally more to come. Come on, there we go. Way more to come. Thank you guys for being around and sticking around during this hard time. It ain't that deep, but it's my only car that I have, so it just feels good to be back. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are brand new. I have more content coming for you very, very soon. And yeah, like always, see you out in the next one. Yeah.